totally different, eh?
Yeah. And already see it in the back of the house.
Yeah.
Wow. What did you tackle this week?
I tackled 3 gnomes. Beat them up, they're small, I tackled them right to the ground, I crushed them.
Okay, no, actually, what did you do this week?
I did this.
He's so annoying!
So what I did was, there used to be a kitchen here. Island, counters, backsplash, cabinets overhead.
And you used a broken
And I used a foobar.
Oh, wait.
This is a new tool I got.
Smash down something.
Smash down something. That's what I would be doing. This is a Sawzall. It's good for cutting random stuff. And here we go.
These are the details that really sold us on the house. It's like, you know, the authentic insulation sticking out that we can touch. It's hard, oddly.